So she's adapting?
I think she's sliding on the socks.
Yeah, I think so too.
You need a little lift up, kid. Huh? And those are a little big, I know. Joseph.
Squirt, man.
There you go. There you go. Dancing. Sing. Look at his arms. Look at his arms and her arms. Bam Bam too.
Not too long ago,
La 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 la.
Amy gave Mama a pair of dungarees to let the elastic out.
I did.
Oops. Does he care that it's on his head?
No, he slammed it a bunch of times. He's fine with it.
He said, I think that's what's supposed to happen.
You gonna walk, little girl?
Thanks, Joanna. See, she's dancing. This is a good commercial for Fisher Brothers. You know, you should send it to them.
Just send it in.
La 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 la.